Hi, this is a quick demo of how you can integrate Shopify to your SigmaMind AI platform. What this integration allows you to do is access the Shopify store information so that your AI agent can automatically fetch information in real time from the Shopify store that you have access to, and then take actions on any customer tickets coming in for that particular store. So for example, if a customer is reaching out to cancel an order, if you have access to order, customer info, as well as the product info, you can actually go ahead and cancel orders on Shopify via the SigmaMind AI agent that you're going to set up, right? So over here, first step is you need access to Shopify partner account, and you can easily create that on partners.shopify.com. Once you have a partner account, go to stores and request access to a store. Over here, just enter the store URL that you need access to, and for example, I'm going to write quick start. And typically for most merchant stores, you'll need like a collaborator request code, which you can request from the merchant whose store you're trying to access. And then you select your permissions that you think the AI agents that you're designing would need to fetch information or take actions on that Shopify store. So it could be orders, could be applying discounts. Your AI agent could apply discounts. You can return orders, refund orders, cancel orders, for example. And then most importantly, make sure that you get access to view apps developed by staff and collaborators, and get these three permissions for sure, because you'll need these three permissions for the next step, which is to actually set up the SigmaMind AI custom app on their store once you get access to their store. Okay, so once you select all this, just request access here, and then you go to their store. So once you have the access, go to the store. So this is like a demo store. Go to the store, under settings, go to apps and sales channels. Under apps and sales channels, go to develop apps, and here just click on create an app. Now once you create an app, you can select the app name, which is, let's say, SigmaMind AI, so that you can connect the SigmaMind AI app to this Shopify store, and you can select your email ID for the app developer. Click on create app. Once you do that, just click on configure admin API scopes. And what this screen allows you to do is to select the permission. So you will only see permissions that you were granted access to by the admin when you requested access in step 1, and just request access to whatever permissions you need, right? Once you select something, let's say I'm gonna select read customer events, for example, or read customers, let's say, and just hit save here. And once you do that, what happens is you can go back to again the overview screen, and you can then hit install app. So you can see what admin scopes you have access to, and then you can just do install app. And once you do that, you'll get a token. You can just click reveal token, and from this token, then you should be able, you put this token in your Shopify API, which will allow you to, which is already set up in your SigmaMind AI account, which will allow you to access all these scopes that you have selected in this step here, right? So this is how you can easily integrate your Shopify with SigmaMind AI, and the AI agents built on SigmaMind AI platform can, take multiple actions on the store and fetch information like orders, customers, product information, or even FAQs. Okay, thank you.